Focus on me, not the tools. Hey, woodworking is a pretty isolated event, right? Most of the time you're alone in your shop, and it can be a drag. A lot of great communities online have formed, like Instagram and Reddit and some Facebook groups. They fill a gap, right? But it's not the same as face-to-face interaction. It can be a little impersonal. Sometimes there's trolls. I've been preaching to anyone who will listen that sometimes you gotta get outside your shop. See that metaphor? And be amongst other people who are into woodworking too. Other people who are as excited about talking about sharpening to 8,000 grit as you are. Because it's important. It's comforting. Have you ever been at a party and you meet someone who's into woodworking too, and you spend the whole time at the party talking about woodworking? Well, that's kind of what woodworking events are like. Except everybody at the party is into woodworking. I think that this goes unsaid too often by woodworking event people promoting their woodworking events. Myself included, I'm guilty of it. You sit there and you talk about how great the presenter lineup is, and you talk about the amenities, and you talk about this and that, and those are all really important things. But to me, the most important thing is camaraderie and building friendships with other woodworkers. I have woodworking friends that I made in 2015 when I went to Woodworking in America, and we still keep up with each other. I know people, Kevin, Matt, that met at Fine Woodworking Live 3 years ago. I thought that they went to college together because they seemed that tight to me. They might hate each other, I don't know. But it's about building friendships with woodworkers. It's about camaraderie. Camaraderie. I'm gonna keep saying that word. So yeah, Fine Woodworking Live's coming up April 17th. Something just scared my chickens. Did you see that? So Fine Woodworking Live is coming up April 17th through 20th in Southbridge, Massachusetts. And I would be remiss if I didn't say we have the world's greatest woodworkers assembled to teach you woodworking and make you a better woodworker. Yeah. Why don't you come out and be amongst people like yourself? Really, really, really into woodworking. People who are more than happy to talk to you about your sharpening regimen, because nobody else is.